Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. I know I'm starting my vlog late. It is 7 o'clock p.m. I just did some makeup videos, that's why this today. And I just came from the store. I only went to CVS because I don't want to drive to the bigger store. I just got some rice for dinner. And I'm just gonna make Portuguese sausage and rice. That's because I have chicken, but I have to go to the grocery store yet to buy some groceries. I didn't want to really go today or yesterday for that matter. I just was kind of like just staying home. So yeah, I'm gonna be making some rice. I don't like that rice pot that I bought. I showed you guys before, but I don't really like it. I'm gonna make my rice in here. It's way better. I don't know why I don't like it. But we're gonna make 1 cup. 1 cup is even a lot for me, but then if you make less, I feel like it doesn't cook as good. So yeah. So far my hand is a little bit red, numb, and a little bit sore at times, but nothing too drastic, you know what I mean? Yeah. So if you guys are not following me on my beauty channel, it's beauty over 50-ish, because I have to change the name. Yeah. But I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to watch some beauty stuff. I'm going to put it on there. I will do some get ready with me on here at times. I mean, I won't only just leave the beauty out of here, but we're going to see. But yeah, so the best way to make regular hinori rice, for me, I learned through the years that my finger doesn't cut it anymore to measure. Because over here before we just like put the water, measure it our hand, but I don't like that way anymore. Because sometimes I just found that when I put 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of water, it works the best. So I put 1 cup of rice like this, and then I put 1 cup of water, same way. And then that's the best way to cook rice. Trust me. It comes out not too dry, not too mushy. And then right now I'm gonna put it on high, but I'm gonna watch it. I put it on and then I let it boil, and then I turn it down to medium. Don't just leave your rice there if it's on high, okay? You gotta watch it. You gotta watch it. But yeah, so I just had kind of relaxing day today. I was watching this movie. It's Ghost, Knock Knock Ghosts. It's on Amazon, and it's Canadians. I've been watching a lot of Canadian shows. I like it, you know. But the Knock Knock Ghost was kind of good. I finished it all already. It's interesting. It's interesting. If you guys like the psychic ghosts, they go to they go to haunted places and investigate. So it was entertaining. So yeah. But anywho, I'm just gonna make that, and I'm gonna cut up some Portuguese sausage. Because I didn't take out my chicken to cook. So yeah, that's what I'm going to, oh wait. I do have some frozen hamburger that I cooked a couple days ago in there. So maybe I can cook that, make that, oh wait. What am I going to cook? I think I have chili. I'm going to eat leftover chili. See, living alone, you can just do whatever you want, right? So I forgot about I had chili. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna eat that. And I gotta throw my rubbish. It's kind of hard to lift up the stuff and then throw it. So, but I get it done because I gotta get it done, right? Okay, so that's what I'm eating, chili and Portuguese sausage. This is a good Portuguese sausage, redondo. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna cook some and throw it in with the the chili. Woo. Chili is good. I should cut up some onions, but I only like it if I'm eating like chili dog or something else. I cannot cut or use the scissors with this hand, it hurts. I've been lazy not wanting to go to the store. That's why I don't. And sometimes it's hard to go shopping. You gotta think, you know, I don't know. I gotta find a way to learn how to make a shopping list, and then so that it will be effective. Not so much where I have too much food for one person. It's hard. So do you guys think that eating out is cheaper than buying food and then letting it, and then it has to waste because I don't eat it all? Which is better? If you have any ideas on food shopping, what I should buy and stuff like that for one person, it's hard. Even though if I even gave Novea some of that hamburger, it's still a lot of chili, you know? So it's hard. Show you guys. So once it starts to boil, you're gonna cover it, turn down the heat, and then let that cook. That's gonna turn out to be the best rice. Okay, so see, I want to say this is the perfect texture of rice. It's not too wet. I like it like that. And then to top this off, sometimes it's good to put mayo on your, on the side there. It's delicious. Hey, so I'm at my sister's again eating some breakfast. She got some stuffed chicken, and then or lunch, and then I'm gonna put some salad. The power of radiance. The full coverage, medium full coverage. What happened? He's pulling you. Yeah. Here, hurry up. Go. Oh, he's pulling you. He wants you to go somewhere. Where are you going? Okay, never mind. I just wanted to be silly. Okay. You're silly. Morning, sunshine. So today is, what is today? Thursday. And I finally got to clean my house a little yesterday. Of course, one hand banded, right? One hand. But yeah, it felt good to like get it clean because I didn't clean it for 3 weeks since I've been home. Oh gosh, it's crazy. But as for today, it's still a little bit red. I did use ice pack on yesterday. And I don't know if it should help, but yeah. So today I'm gonna attempt to do upstairs. It was a mess in here, but it looks really good now. Good morning. Well, as for Novea, during the day she's like normal. And at night is when she'll just be very vocal. It's like somebody's bothering her when she's sleeping, so she will yelp and she'll look at me like it's as if I was the one that was doing it. But look at her now. She knows we're talking about her now. Unbelievable. Look at her. Scusi. Hi, Nevaeh. Nevaeh. Nobody out there. Nevaeh. Hui. Yeah. She's looking for somebody to the kind over there. Small kind, little bit pain at the incision site, like spurts of it. Maybe that's the nerve or whatever. But anywho, I haven't mentioned my foot lately. It's getting better, my foot, but it just a little bit sore. I haven't been like working a full day on it, so it's been less painful. Hopefully my foot can heal at the same time. I don't know what's going on with my body, but it happens, I guess. It happens, but yeah. So I've been able to rest my foot at the same time, so hopefully when I go back to work, it'll be healed, you know what I'm saying? It'll be good, but it still feels a little bit sore. Depends what shoe I wear. If I use like a soft shoe that lets my feet move around in, then I don't think that's a good idea for my foot because I could feel the pain in there. So yeah, it's getting better. Hopefully it's good by the time I get back to work. I just want to say that last night, this floor was clean, no hair. Overnight, it just became all Nevaeh's hair. Oh my goodness. Because she took a bath yesterday too. So when she takes a bath, she sheds more. Look at that. She's eating her food now. She didn't want to eat the one she's eating now because I put the fish oils. But I gave her without fish oils and then now she's eating it. Lolo girl. This is her hair, look. There's only a little bit. She's not feeling good today. She threw up 2 times this morning. Let's see. Let's see the good girl. But I did feed her and she did eat now. So she's doing okay now. Guys, so it is nighttime now and I made this. I never made this before. It is ground turkey with squash, onion, and tomato. First time making it with the turkey. It's like pork and squash, but turkey and squash. I never made it before, but that's what I had, so I made it together. A little bit hot.